In today's fast-paced financial landscape, it's easy to get swept away by the excitement of trending stocks and investment strategies. Yet, amidst all that noise, Malkiel's principles remind us to focus on the fundamentals. Instead of chasing fleeting trends, seasoned investors find strength in playing the long game and embracing the certainty of diversified index funds. By adopting this mindset, we position ourselves for lasting financial stability, rather than temporary gains that could lead to heartache. With patience, an understanding of market efficiencies, and a commitment to a sound investment strategy, anyone can build wealth over time. But beyond just theory, Malkiel provides actionable insights that empower everyday investors to reclaim control over their financial futures. He emphasizes the importance of regular, disciplined investing, a strategy that works effectively to weather market fluctuations and capitalize on long-term growth. Understanding the importance of patience in investing cannot be overstated. It's a virtue that can transform one's financial outlook. Malkiel encourages investors to resist the temptation of quick profits and instead focus on the consistent growth provided by steady contributions over time. By taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging, investors can reduce the impact of market volatility on their portfolios, allowing their investments to grow organically. Moreover, regular investment fosters a healthier relationship with money, as it encourages mindfulness and disciplined decision-making rather than emotional reactions to market shifts. This steady approach sets the stage for capitalizing on the inevitable upward trends in the market, leading to substantial long-term wealth. So, the message is clear. Commit to the process, stay disciplined, and let time work in your favor. Consistency, paired with informed decision-making, can lead to a secure financial future filled with opportunities. In summary, Malkiel's insights challenge us to reconsider our approach to investing in an unpredictable market. By highlighting the importance of long-term strategies and disciplined investing, he equips us with the knowledge to bypass the noise and focus on what truly matters: consistent portfolio growth. Embracing a strategy of index fund investments allows anyone, regardless of expertise, to build genuine wealth over time while enjoying peace of mind. Remember, true investing is not about quick wins or timing the market. It's a journey that thrives on patience, discipline, and a strategic mindset. Malkiel argues that we must embrace a mindset shift in our approach to investing. Rather than viewing the market as a competitive battlefield where only the cleverest survive, he invites us to recognize investing as a personal journey grounded in our own financial goals and risk tolerance. This not only democratizes investing but also helps demystify the process, making it accessible to everyone. As we build our portfolios with intention, the emphasis should be on resilience, not rivalry. We become better prepared to navigate through the inevitable ups and downs of the market. Ultimately, this shift in perspective opens doors to genuine financial empowerment for all investors. Malkiel's perspective on investing serves as a powerful reminder that wealth building is not about luck or shortcuts but requires a solid foundation based on informed choices. Each step we take in this journey should resonate with our long-term aspirations and comfort levels, fostering a more profound connection with our financial decisions. By focusing on a well-structured approach, we can transform our investment journey into a more enjoyable and successful experience, one that embraces the nuances of market dynamics while prioritizing personal growth and achievement. Through patience and consistent effort, we can shape our own financial destinies. Malkiel's insights also extend beyond personal finance. They serve as a commentary on the financial industry's practices as a whole. By unveiling the myth of market predictability, he encourages investors to demand greater accountability from financial advisors and firms still clinging to outdated strategies. Ultimately, his approach dismantles the notion that investing is solely for the elite or the exceptionally savvy, empowering individuals from all walks of life to reclaim their financial futures. One crucial takeaway from Malkiel's work is the concept of psychological resilience in investing. He emphasizes that the emotional aspect of investing can lead to poor decisions, such as panic selling during market downturns or overzealous buying during market highs. Understanding these psychological traps allows investors to cultivate a mindset that prioritizes rational thinking over emotional reactions. By developing strategies that center on long-term goals and predefined financial parameters, individuals can remain steadfast in their approach, thereby mitigating the pressures that often derail novice investors. This clarity fosters confidence and ultimately leads to more enduring financial success. Yet, embracing this long-term strategy doesn't mean we should ignore the importance of financial education altogether. Understanding the fundamentals of the market, the types of investments available, and the principles of risk assessment can help refine our strategies. Malkiel emphasizes that a well-informed investor makes better decisions, recognizing the significance of knowledge as a tool for empowerment. By seeking out resources, engaging in discussions, and continuously learning, we ensure our investment journey is not only about numbers but also about understanding the world around us. As we grow our financial acumen, we become more adept at navigating the complexities of investing, setting ourselves up for sustained success. Ultimately, knowledge transforms investing from a gamble into a well-calculated journey toward our financial dreams, reinforcing Malkiel's core message of informed and disciplined investing. Malkiel's exploration of the market extends to the critical understanding of risk. He articulates that risk isn't merely about the volatility of stock prices, it encompasses a broader perspective on how our financial choices align with our life goals. By assessing our risk tolerance and recognizing the potential downsides of investments, we position ourselves to make informed decisions that reflect both our values and aspirations. Embracing this comprehensive view of risk allows for a more harmonious approach to investing, blending financial wisdom with personal intent. In a world where financial stability often feels elusive, Malkiel's insights provide a beacon of hope. By prioritizing a disciplined, informed approach, we empower ourselves to navigate the complexities of investing with confidence and purpose. Ultimately, embracing simplicity in investment strategies leads to enduring financial growth and clarity amid chaos.